and I am going to make today Szechuan noodles. And guys, subscribe my channel, like my video and share to your friends. Guys, I have boiled noodles here and I have kept to strain it. Guys, first in one kadai we have to take little oil. Like this spoon we have to take 2 spoons like this. Guys, first we have to add ginger, small cut, and then we have to add ginger, garlic, chilli paste. Then we have to add cutted chilli in it. Guys, we have to mix it. Guys, see, our oil is hot, so I have taken big spoon. We have to mix it well. Guys, now we have to add shimla mirch. Now we have to add cabbage. And guys, now we have to add spring onions. Now we have to mix it. Now guys, we have to add Szechuan chutney in it. Now we have to add food color. Now guys, we have to add salt. Red chilli powder. Coriander powder. Cumin powder. Turmeric powder. Now guys, we have to mix it. Now we have to add noodles in it. Guys, we have to mix it very slowly. Now guys, we have mixed it well. Guys, now we have to add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. We have to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now we have to add 2 teaspoons of green chili sauce. Guys, we have to add red chili sauce, 1.5 teaspoon. You like salty more, you can. Guys, not salty, spicy we have to do and mix it. Now we have to add food color again. And mix it. Guys, it is ready. We have to add half tablespoon of oregano, half tablespoon of chili flakes, and mix it well. Now guys, we have to off the gas. Now guys, it is ready to eat. We have to remove it. And guys, it is ready to eat. Guys, see, it is looking so amazing. And guys, we have to eat it with Szechuan. And guys, it is very amazing. And guys, bye bye. Subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share it to your friends.